Hey guys, welcome to Peer Reviews. Today I have another exciting review for you. If you are new to my channel, I review literally all kinds of products, things that I find are helpful around the house to cool little gadgets and electronics. So please do hit that subscribe button. And then if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button and share. All right, so today's product is stress balls. We're all in a very stressful time in our lives. And so what better product to share with you guys than some stress relieving balls here. So this is by a company called Anfly. I will include a link down below to Amazon if you want to check them out, see what other people are saying, see the other reviews. But when you order them, essentially they're going to come in this little plastic bag, and then you're going to get 3 different balls here. Now, one of the great things about this one versus the many other products online is they're a great bargain compared to the other brands. So it's a lot more economical. You're going to get 3 of these versus getting 1. And the 3 is kind of important because each one has a little bit more resistance. So this one's a lot squishier versus the black and silver one's a lot more firm. So if you are using these to build up your wrist muscles, or if you have carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis, things like that, then it's good to have the different resistance, so that way you continue to work out that muscle and slowly graduate to the more tougher one. So but one of the other things, these are, they come in different colors, which makes them kind of different versus some of the other products out there. And yeah, like I said, they're great just for kind of reducing stress. If you have ADHD, it can be a great distraction tool. They kind of serve different purposes. If you have stress and anxiety, they're great for that too. So if you're looking for something that is economical and hoping to reduce some stress or strengthen your wrist muscles, this would be something to check out. Like I said, I'll include a link to Amazon. Feel free to check out the other reviews, see what other people are saying about it. And then I do typically respond, so feel free to hit me up in the comments. And till the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.